Reeves. I'm the developer of Genie and owner of Ifrit Technologies LLC. And in this quick video, I'm going to be walking you through how to set up your account and your student's account if you are a team leader / coach. So first of all, just a little bit of general context about how things work this year. Last year, it was that the team leader had one account and all of the students did not have accounts. This year that changes so that both the team leader and every student has an account. And the team leader sets up their own account, purchases licenses, and then invites the student accounts to join their team, linking all of their research together. So we're going to go through how to exactly to do that in this quick video. So in this case, I'm going to assume that you have already followed the previous setup video to get your own account as a team leader set up. So we're going to, in this case, just log in. Okay, and we can see this is the Your Account page right here. And what listed right here is the members of the team. And right now, the only members of the team led by Ethan Reeves is Ethan Reeves. So we're going to go ahead and invite a new member. Okay, and let's say that we know that one of our students, John Smith, signed up for an account under the email testing@gmail.com. Now, we have the option to assign him a role. Now, what a role does is it sets permissions on what that student can do. If the student has the role of a student, that means that they can create collections and folders but cannot delete them. If they have the role of a captain, it means they can both create and delete folders and collections. So selecting that is up to what privileges you want to give that specific student. So we're going to select a role of student and we're going to click Add. And now we can see that John Smith has been added to our team. So what that means is when John Smith installs Genie, he's going to have the option to select that he wants to join your team, in this case, Ethan Reeves, and collaborate with you for your research. That will also allow him to use one of your licenses that you have purchased rather than having to purchase an individual license himself. So that's how he's going to get set up under the auspices of the team. So let's flip to the student's perspective now and look at exactly how we would do that. So we're going to assume that Genie is already installed, and like I said, we're operating from the student's perspective right now. So we're going to click on the Genie icon in the top right. We're going to log in with testing@gmail.com, testing, which this is John Smith's account. And we have two options here. John Smith can either join John Smith's team, which is just going to be him by himself, or he can join Ethan Reeves' team, which, as the team leader, is the group we just invited him to. So John Smith is now going to join Ethan Reeves' team. We're going to click Next. We haven't purchased any licenses, so we're going to click Use Under Free Trial. Click Next. We're going to say John's laptop and click Finish. All right, we can see that we're all set up here. And we are the user, John Smith, on the team of Ethan Reeves, with the role of student and the device of John's laptop. Everything is now set up for this student. Everything they create in their folders and collections will automatically synchronize with not only Ethan Reeves, the team leader, but every other student that was invited to that account as well.